YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Drew Cuss, and I'm back at you with another video. You already know how I'm beaming, man, but in this video, I'm going to show you my barber station tour at work, man, at the barber shop, man, where I make my bread, man. The bread that I used to pay for school, man. This is all tuition, I ain't gonna cap to you. Yeah, this is my barber station tour. You're gonna see my clippers, you're gonna see my products, you're gonna see my mat, you're gonna see my mirror, our new stations, our new barber chairs that we just got. We're currently in the process of remodeling there at Cut It Out Barbershop here in Chicago. And yeah, man, if you like this video, please leave a like, man, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think I should do in the next video below in the comments, man. Let's get it. YouTube, what's good, man? You already know what's going on. I just explained what we're about to do, so let's get right into it. Here we have my marble side container. This is essential to keep your combs in, just so you can make sure that they are fully clean and sanitized for your cuts. You should be putting these in for 10 minutes after each cut. If you're not, then you're doing it wrong. You put everything from combs to metal combs to tweezers, any type of stuff like that up in your marble side container to make sure that they are being properly sanitized. Then we move over right here. I use the Master Cannabis Sativa Shave Gel, and that right there is just super good. I don't know, I love the smell to it, I love the consistency, and it just really helps me shave. I have my business cards right here. Drew Cuss Barber Stylist, you know how I'm being, man, my slogan. Everything I do on there, my phone number, my Instagram, my Snapchat, etc. Right here we got my Gold Vibe FX massager, and then my first video you already seen all of my clippers and my tools, so I'll go a little bit deeper at home as to what they do and how they work. Got my Diane neck duster, my Supreme barber mat with the magnetic holder, so like if you go ahead and throw your clipper on there, it'll stay standing up. This one's too heavy for it, so I don't usually stand them up, just lay them down, but that's a nice plus just in case you're trying to get on the move real fast. We got my Babyliss guards here, number 0.5 through 6. Got my Lather King straight razor there, my 3 pairs of shears, 2 Diane and then 1 Goody that I found at Jewel. I thought they were pretty nice, so I copped them. You need this. As you can see, we got all our razors in there, man. Lysol, 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, man. You got to be clean, bro, if you're in this industry, as I've been expressing. So that's pretty much everything on my exact station. Got my mirror right here, man. Down here, compressor, bro. I love this master compressor. Stays on. Perfect for enhancements. Perfect for just blowing air to get hair out of places that you can't get with the broom or brush. Right here we got my ring light. Newer ring light. My apron. I wear this usually every cut. My name tag on there, man. We're gonna move to the other side of my station. Right here we have this beautiful rack, and got my Clubman powder, olive oil sheen, my hairspray for when I'm doing lineups or just styling in general. We have my aftershave, some water, the pieces from my blow dryer. We got some extra hold, Elegance triple action styling gel. You know how that's going. Got my gloves in this little container right here. I thought it was pretty convenient, so I just stuffed my gloves in there so I can get them out easy. Got a little bit of cream pomade right here by Cantu. I love this brand for when it comes to their men's collection, man. It's just beautiful. The smell is great, and my clients really like it. We got this cleansing pre-shave scrub. It fights ingrown hairs and stuff, and that's really good. I use that before I do a hot towel shave and a steam session. Here we got some Cannabis Sativa oil texturizing spray. I use that when I'm texturizing the hair. Black mask, clipper oil, you already know what that's for. Beard oil, Cantu men's collection as well, super great. I got my Tune 45 enhancement, no drip. Got black brown, and we got onyx black. My own shave gel that I created mixed with eucalyptus and other stuff. We got that H42 clipper clean, man. This is really good when it comes to cleaning your clipper blades. You just let it run. You let your clipper run and you spray it and let all the hair fall out of there. That's my main station, man. Then as you go under the station, you can see I have my clipper sleeves right there. We got my beads, my baby cape, my child cape. We got some essential oils for when I'm doing a hot towel. Some more H42. This is that dipping one. It's the same thing, but you know. Got my square card reader, man. Extra spray gun. This one broke. It was when I had my 245 compressor, but I don't got that no more. I didn't really like it. Babyliss grip, some shot glasses down there. You know, that's irrelevant, but got another Diane neck duster. We got my mirror right here. I post that out at the end of the cut and stuff. Yeah, we got an extra clipper down there, the chargers, some comb cleaner. We got my barber side thing there, my barber side right there. Then underneath we got an extra cape. Then right here we got my blow dryer, man. I didn't talk about this. This is the Andis blow dryer. Got my sticker on there. Then we got some stickers that say yo right there. I found them, so I just used them. It's whatever. Then right here we got the whole strip so that I can plug everything in. Got my chargers, my blow dryer, my compressor, my light and whatnot. And then right here we have my traveling barber case. I use this to go to school with and do house calls and just take my tools everywhere with me that I need to go. Here's an overview of the station. You already know I gotta get to the barber chair now, man. You got that vintage you did, man. I don't know, it just got that vintage rustic feel to it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful chair, man. You know, up and down headrest. You know how that goes. Down here, we got my steamer. I use that when I'm doing hot towel shave, steam shave, facials and stuff like that. So that just makes the cut, it enhances it way more. It makes the client feel way better afterwards, and it just softens the hair so it's easier to shave after. That's pretty much my station here. My girl made me this little thing. I don't know if you can see it. And we got Mellow on there. And then my grandma and stuff. And yeah, man. So I'll cut to the next clip for you guys, and you'll see me back at home explain more about what these tools do and how they work. Alright, man. So like I told you guys, I'm going to get right into a little deeper review of my clippers that I was gifted by Los Cutter himself. This is the Gold FX clipper by Babyliss, and overall it's a really great clipper, man. Right here we got the bevel blade, taper blade also referred to. I really like the lever on this thing because as you can see right here we have the notch system. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's 5 notches right there, and that just lets you progress through your fade real easy. It's got this click. I don't know if you can hear it. Let's see. Hear that click? Alright, so that is really essential when I'm cutting hair because I don't have to look at my clipper every time I'm going down a notch. I know that I'm working through a 5-point system while I'm cutting, and yeah, so when I'm doing a little bit up, when I'm knocking that ball line out, obviously I'm going like this closed. Then I'm going to go up a little bit more, then all the way open. And yeah, man, it has this like black cutting blade on the bottom. It's not staggered tooth or anything special, but they cut really, really exceptionally. Now, by the way, look at these freaking clipper cases. These were originally called the clipper condoms by them, but I assume it got some backlash because, you know, young barbers or whatever, but whatever. Right here we have my Gold FX trimmer, man. You see I got the protective thing to protect my blade so that it doesn't get messed up. But as you can see, really, really nice trimmer, man. They hit so freaking hard, bro. See those teeth? Super, super nice, man. This is my shaver, Gold FX shaver. Same thing, super powerful. Can detach these things, throw them in the barber side to clean them properly. Really just blow all the air with my airbrush and stuff that I showed you guys earlier. And yeah, I'm able to clean these really well due to my airbrush and my cool care. But Other than that, these are my 3 main hitters, man. This is my main lineup right now. Obviously, I'll be adding more clippers to my collection since I did get all my stuff stolen not even 3 months ago. But yeah, man, Lopes Cut It really hooked it up with this. My girl bought this and the Vibe Massager. The massager just is nice for hot towel shaves and facials and stuff, and I like to use that for that. So if you like this, drop a comment below and let me know how much you would pay for something like this in all gold. And I'm back, man. You already know what's going on, man. That's my barber station tour. That's my first video like that ever. Like I said earlier, I do have a barber station at home. If you want to see me do a video on that barber station as well, I will. Just drop a comment below and say at home barbershop. Other than that, man, the next video is going to be a super hard texture haircut tutorial almost. And yeah, I just got my new mic in, so I can go ahead and do voiceovers on that. So yeah, man, we're about to take this to a whole nother level again, man. It's 2021, a whole year of a new tonsorial come up, man. You know how I'm beaming.